welcome to my channel, and today I'll be doing an update on the YOYO's extendable hose. Firstly, I'm going to say I'm impressed with this hose. I've been using it now for 3 months and it's still like new. We'll go over the hose in a minute. Like I said, it's still like new. All I do is keep it in a bag and wipe it down after I've used it, which is most days I use this. No splits, no bulges, nothing. It's a well solid hose, and I recommend anybody who uses a hose a lot to buy this product. The hose ends are still lovely. You can see no splits, no tears. Remember, unlike most extendable hoses, this has no fabric on the outside, it's this rubber stuff, which is really good. I can say it's all just like that. I would say the only problem I did have, and this was last Friday, this end of the sprayer come loose, causing a leak. I just got a spanner and tightened it up and it was good to go again. That's the only problem I've had with all this hose since I had it in the last 3 months. So now I'm going to connect it to the tap. I'm going to show you a neat little trick that this hose has that I've never seen a hose have before, but any of my hoses that I've had have never had this trick, and I find it quite a neat feature. You can see it doesn't take long to expand, but this is the neat feature I was telling you about. Now, as you can see, if you accidentally unhook your sprayer, water will not go everywhere because it seals itself, which I think that's really neat. And even from the other side, it'll lock the water in there, so if any ends come loose, you will not get water all over yourself. Obviously you get water from the tap, but the hose sort of locks itself, which is, I think, quite cool. As you can see, this is not plugged in, and this is the other end. So that's quite a cool feature in my book. So like I say, I've had this hose about 3 months now. I've done a video when I first had it, unboxing it, and I had a lot of people ask me how the hose is going. So I thought I'd do another update, which is this video. I'd like to report the hose is worth every penny that I spent on it, and I wouldn't hesitate to buy another one if I had to, which I don't, because this one is held up lovely. Now I would recommend anybody who's in the market for a hose to buy YOYO extendable hose. I'm going to continue to use this hose daily, and probably the only next update will be is when it fails, which I don't see it failing anytime soon. So if you're liking my contents, please like and subscribe, and until next time, bye bye.